start in removing background.
Let's see.
Next, placing picture on selected background.
Yeah.
Then putting a frame to make it more beautiful. Remove the background again like before.
Let's see.
Here we are at the important part of putting information. Name of the celebrant. Occasion to celebrate. Let's add a design to make it even more beautiful. It's about to end. If you got here, I appreciate it. Can you finish it to the end first? Oh, don't forget the date of celebration. Now our unicorn tarpaulin design is finished. I hope you like it.
Let's see.
Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, and click the notification bell for more videos.